Huwag nila sasabihin na kasama tayo dahil President Duterte has withdrawn the Philippines from the ICC. Kudos to him for standing up for the Philippines because hindi naman siguro tama. Ginaganyan na lang tayo, tinatrato tayo ng mga dayuhan na akala mo naman hindi tayo marunong dito, hindi tayo nakakaintindi, tayong inuutusan kung ano-ano pinagsasabi tungkol sa atin. Gagawin nila yung gusto nilang gawin, pero huwag nila sasabihin na kasama tayo dahil hindi tayo papayag na ay ganun ang trato sa atin at saka minamata tayo nitong mga puti. We are a mature, sovereign nation with our own ways of doing things.
A few moments later.
Roa Duterte took off at 11:03 p.m. this evening and exited Philippine airspace. The plane is en route to The Hague in the Netherlands, allowing the former president to face charges of crimes against humanity